That's what you need. A channel. A channel. Drunks that can cook.
Drunks that can cook.
Drunks that cook.
New channel coming soon. Sully's starting it. All right, maybe I am too. All right, cheers.
Cheers.
All right, we've spent all the better part of today and yesterday doing this because, again, sous vide for 20 hours, then 3 hours on the smoker for 3 hours, then sous vide for 20. Finished them both on the propane, reverse seared them. You can see, take a look at those, how crispy they are. Like,
I don't think they were both the same size, but man, you can see how much it shrank.
yeah.
So you get the pork belly, pork chop in there.
Yep, pork chop here. Actually, they're so tender, this just peeled right off. This guy's excited.
You got a boner. And you can see what the C stands for in can. Unfortunately, it's spelled with a K.
Yeah, can. Well, I got a game called Can Jam with the Frisbee. You like that one.
But now it's time to try this. See how
All right.
tender it really is.
One moment, please.
Gonna wash those hands?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Sully, what do you want to try first? You want to try the pork chop piece first, or do you want to try the fatty bacon goodness? Not that I'm trying to skew your...
I want to try some of the meat first and see how tender that really is.
All right.
It cut pretty easy.
I did cut pretty easy. Look at that. Look at that pork chop piece right there.
What's that
Now,
one
this
look
is
like?
a sous vide first. I don't know.
Hold them up.
Here, let me
Side
say.
by side.
Sous vide first. Sous vide first over here on this side.
You need to keep drinking.
So, sous vide first, grill first. I don't know if there's a difference.
I don't know, cut them in thirds.
That's what I'm going to do right here. I'll tell you what, this is tender. I'm like, look at this.
You think 21 hours is too long in a sous vide?
Actually, I'm going to be honest, the sous vide first, I barely even need to push on that, and it goes right through that meat. So the sous vide first almost seems more tender. So, well, cheers to you. Let's try the sous vide first. Cheers. All right, never mind.
You can bang for it.
That's pretty legit. I like the,
Taste smoke.
yep. I like the outside. To me, though, it's still a pork chop. Pork's hard to do because pork gets dry in the middle. To me, pork chop's got to be cooked just right. I think it's a little too long on the pork, but
I think it's both too long. 21 hours too long in a sous vide. Too flat. A pork butt, because it's bigger. But I think it's gone too long.
well, Sully,
Time for belly.
time for belly. I mean, I've had a big belly for a long time now.
I can see. Right, yeah. That's really good. Well. I'm not gonna feel so good in a while.
I'm gonna need a nap.
Meat sweats.
That's good. But which is better? I mean, let's taste them both here. I'm so full, I'm having a hard time swallowing.
You know what I would do, personally? I would cut that pork chop up, feed it to her, I'll take the tail. I like the belly part.
I do too.
I still think it just went too long. For the first time trying it, I think we went a little too long.
But which is better? Which would you do?
I think that one. Just
Well,
personally.
to be fair though, I would take this one too, but it is a little thinner.
But look how
This got a
shiny.
little crispier. Yeah.
So that one, you smoked first?
Sous vide first.
Sous vide first and then smoke?
So I would agree. I would take the sous vide first.
At least this time.
But
Give it a month, part 2 will come out, we'll do it again.
to be fair, I would pick this first, but there is no harm in either of these. These are both absolutely delicious cuts.
Imagine it coming on a plate to you at your table.
What was the size of that? Before
I said
cooking.
2 pounds.
2 pounds before cooking. Wow. Who can eat that much meat? Anyways, that's how you do it, sous vide. Woohoo! I thought you were gonna poke me, and I'd have to say Pillsbury.
It's a little personal, isn't it? I don't poke you.
All right, thanks for stopping.
Hope you enjoyed.
Yeah, hope you enjoyed. This is how we do sous vide. We're gonna do more sous vide. Check back. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that notification bell. You get a notification when I post a video, right, Sully?
Is the grill on fire?
Well, we're gonna check in a minute. Click that notification bell. Thanks for stopping. Have a great day.
That's good.
No, that was